In today's episode, we venture into two massive bucket wheel excavator graveyards, the biggest machines on Earth. Hi, I'm Bob, an urban explorer, and with friends I explore the most amazing abandoned places worldwide. Today we're on a special road trip in Romania, and we've got the most exciting sponsorship yet, the Antigravity A1, an 8K 360 drone. We can't wait to see how it transforms the way we explore this place. There's also the question if there are still machines left. Let's hope so.
Oh, there is one.
Oh yeah. We arrived in a lignite open pit mine area, where brown coal is used as fuel for power stations. Several of these open pits are closed, and all the machinery, bucket wheel excavators, which extracted the brown coal, have been left abandoned. Check where we are. It's a bucket wheel excavator graveyard, and it looks insane. It's much better than I expected, yeah, and I cannot wait to fly with this thing here. Yeah, so look at the size. It's really compact, and we travel a lot and we can only take a few things, and this is so small that we can take it on any trip, right? It's not a burden to take something like this. I'm gonna fly it for the first time. Never flew it before. I only flew for 5 minutes in the simulator, and it was so easy that I'm confident that it will be fine. Cool thing is, it comes with goggles. Especially in this weather, it's really hard to see the screen, but now it looks like you're flying the drone yourself. This is the controller. It looks kind of intimidating because it's not a regular controller, but it's super easy. It's really convenient to just fly with one hand. So first, we're gonna explore the place with a drone. We have no idea if there's any security, and we hear a dog. So it's good to scout the area and see what's all there, right?
Yeah.
I'm in a different world. Here we go. This is absolutely crazy, eh? It's really, it's like I'm in the sky myself. It's like I'm a bird. Yeah, this is really a game changer, babe. It's crazy. I told you guys, I flew for 5 minutes in a simulator, and we're gonna fly now. It's really easy. There is some kind of dot in the screen, and you just point where you want to go and pull the trigger. That's the gas. So here we go. Woohoo! Oh, and I start to get a good overview of the whole site. There are tons of these machines.
Wow.
It looks really post-apocalyptic, by the way. They are being dismantled. Yeah, and the nice thing is, everything is being recorded. So I don't have to worry about making the right shots and movements, because everything can be done in post. So I have complete freedom.
And what is your first impression?
Amazing, really amazing. And not only for making the footage, but also just to look around. You know, we always scout with a drone to find an entrance or spot the security, and it's really hard to get the right angle. And now I can immediately see everything around us. I'm already at the other end. But there are some houses there.
Yeah.
This is already the best drone flight I made in my life. It's like I'm playing some kind of game. It's really epic. Oh my God, I went on a whole journey. I did some kind of digital exploration. Your first flight.
It's crazy. Easy peasy. You don't need to know anything. When I was a child, I had a dream sometimes that I could fly, and this feels totally like I'm living my dream. Super fun and super unique experience.
Time to explore by foot. The camera is moving. We should move on because the camera is watching. Nice, right? I see someone happy too here.
Yes.
Yeah, you see the door is already open. Yeah. We're gonna make our way to that side. I didn't expect anything from this place, but it's fucking cool.
Yeah. There's also camera there. Fuck.
Oh yeah, fuck. Oh.
And the car is there. Oh. Now the camera comes to this direction.
Yeah, there's more activity than I thought. Annoying.
I have the feeling that if there is one there...
There you can also see one. There's one over there, One is here. They're everywhere, these cameras.
The 360 can see us.
No, from here not,
No?
right? No.
My God.
Decent size. I told you, some are so big that a car fits in one of these things. We shouldn't go too high on these things because they're really rusty. Oh yeah, it is pointing at us. Jesus, every machine has multiple cameras on it. Yeah. The lights are still on these things. There. You see that?
Oh yeah.
It's strange. Pretty epic. Spacey. And in the front, there's nothing right now. Oh, this is open. Let's check it. Also electricity is running here. Let's wait for the cameras. I don't know. You see that? I think it's the server for the cameras.
Probably.
Because everything runs on solar panels.
Yes. You can just push the red button and then we can explore.
Off. Yeah, that's why all these cables are running everywhere. They probably have a shitload of batteries and solar panels and cameras everywhere. 2023, oi. 2025, oi.
March. Yeah, that's the last one. The following parts and pumps from EMC Montreux Carrier were taken from EXE 2000 because they did not have the necessary documents.
Yeah, the thing is, this is some kind of scrap yard, so if they need a part, then it gets cannibalized. Yeah, we're gonna try to get on that one. Hopefully there's no camera. It's easier to explore by drone. That's one thing for sure. Also dismantled partly. It's an old, rusty one. There are 360 cameras on each. Holy fuck, eh? Here you can also hear the electricity. It's a question where you can get on it. Here. Better be quick.
Wow.
This is really old school, right? This is the canteen.
Oh, here is the server running.
Battery 100%, yeah.
Christmas decoration.
Nice.
Religious.
Imagine having a lunch here.
Oh, there's still sugar and coffee. I don't know what is that. Pointing forward. Should we go?
Yeah, fuck it. There are cameras everywhere, you see? Two in front of us, yeah. Oh, Jesus.
Fuck it. Yeah, but I think we can't go because they removed.
Since we have another graveyard waiting, we leave this place and hope it will be easier to get around the next one.
Everything these days is protected by not one camera, but dozens of cameras. For
And
what?
this is
This is the treasure.
and this is the third or fourth pole
Yeah.
with this amount of cameras.
This place is
Insane!
wild, yeah. Oh my god.
It's like a whole city.
Easiest access ever, right? Graveyard of the Giants. I think the control room here is gone at this one. Yeah, I think we need to go to another one. And this time, no cameras, just easy life. Yeah, the door is open, that's also good. It looks like it's abandoned for 30, 40 years. Oh, 2010. It was still going strong. These spaces are really small. Just lockers in here and nothing special. I think also in Greece.
Yes.
I saw this.
Saw with the
Yes.
Lena.
1990. Oh yeah.
You can smell the typical
Yeah.
oil, machinery oil.
Yeah. Typical guys place again. Glass and naked girls here. Yeah.
with my white clothes, of course. Tomb Raider in action. If you agree, comment. Yes. Oh,
Animal team is coming.
oh yeah. Oh Jesus, 100. It's gonna take a while.
I'm going to drink, I guess.
The thing is, they're partly dismantled. Also the top, it feels really unsafe. It's like a washing machine. It really feels stable. Oh, yes. That's hot. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Oh, this is the back part. I like this one. It's probably when there's some kind of obstacle that it doesn't get broken, so it is flexible. It's a nice view to the other side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty stripped.
Stinky.
It smells like sewer. The feeling of this place, it's really post-apocalyptic. I always dreamed of seeing a place. I remember when I started to urban explore, there was a place like this in Moscow. And I never got to see this place, and I'm really happy now that I get to see this place because it really reminds me of it.
It's really unique and special, the vibe here.
And also everything is just laying around and completely rusty.
Yeah, and I think we are lucky because usually in these places,
They're always working.
yeah, they are working and it's highly secured and things like that, so...
Like the previous place. It's not really special inside of these things.
Oh, it's the same surface?
Yeah, it's exactly the same. Oh, but this is open though. Really tiny workshop here. This one has a cute control tower on the top.
Oh, yeah.
Same. Just switch panels. Ooh, look at this view. Oh wow, it's really epic with the lake next to it. All the bird sounds.
Yes, I made a video with you.
Tiny, tiny, tiny control panel.
Tiny?
Yeah, just 3 joysticks and a few buttons. See that? They took a control room and put it as a security booth. I like the curtains in it.
Yeah, I just wanted to say it's a really cozy one.
All right, we're gonna check if this is open. The curtains are closed. To be honest, I think somebody's here sometimes. There are some keys. This is without any dust. Oh! Babe,
Yeah?
the light still works.
Oi, oi.
Okay. I think we're lucky today that there's no one here. That's the largest one.
There's even a
The
crane
size.
on the top. Let's try to check that one.
Cable friendly. Yeah. Yeah, these are the big wheels. You see the difference with the other ones, right? That's like 3 meters high. And here is the light, which is also really strange. Oh, it's higher than 3 meters. Jesus.
And this whole thing could turn around above us. It's something you can't imagine. And it's in move.
What kind of tunnels in there? This is more close to the ones
I
in
wanted
Greece
to
and
ask,
Germany.
because this is what a cool day.
They made some kind of cords to see if anyone goes onto these things. This is like the fishing stuff.
Uh-huh.
It easily breaks, so if somebody walks here, they see somebody was here.
Maybe if you break it, it will explode.
You see how bent that staircase is here?
Oh. We need to take that now.
Yeah, we need to take it to go up there. Oh. Yeah. It's open. That's good.
Look at these steps. Like they melted. You look cool. It's an epic.
Sitting here all day.
Epic.
1989.
Shake effect.
It's a frog festival. It's open. It's a bit the same as the other one.
And if this inspired you to go explore somewhere like this, now is literally the perfect time. Antigravity's biggest sale of the year, Big Deal Days, is live right now. You can get the Antigravity A1 for up to 25% off. That's up to $480. And the first 10 orders score a free flight battery worth over $100. Antigravity also has local repair centers in North America and offers great return and repair services. So even if you're a beginner, you don't need to worry. Link is in the description, don't sleep on it.
Yeah, so we had a really great day, and the best thing of today, I know it's a sponsored video, but this thing is a game changer, and I had so much fun that this will be part of my fixed gear, right?
Yeah, for sure.
I made shots which I normally couldn't make. I was flying in between these machines everywhere, and it went so smooth, and I don't know, I am really looking forward to the drone images. But yeah, this thing is incredible. I am really happy with this thing. And now time for the next adventure. I think it will be a 6-7 hour drive again. Whew.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, a thumbs up and subscribe for more epic adventures.